What's going on, YouTube? Problem with this vehicle, 2016 Toyota RAV4. My sister only needed a jump start. Supposedly the guy that did the jump start didn't connect the cable right, so therefore all these lights came on. So he probably plugged in the positive cable to the negative cable, and watch this. All lights on. So I guess the safe mode's on for the acceleration. As you can see, I'm stepping on it. And it's not going nowhere. It's not accelerating at all. So what I'm gonna try to do is change the fuse. I forgot what it's called. I think it's the ETCS fuse. It's a 10 supposedly. So I'm gonna look in the hood, go check it right now. So I checked around. It's not that fuse box. It's this one right here on the driver's side. And as you can see, double show for you, it's right here where I just saw it. ETCS 10 amp. So it's the third one, and I have a spare. I'm gonna grab the spare now. Here, where it belongs. Hopefully all the lights will go off. Alright, it's plugged in. And this is the old 10. Let me start up. Hopefully the light's gone. Okay, I'm about to start it up. Hopefully all the lights gone. Nope. Let me accelerate. Oh, see, the acceleration work now. But the other lights on, the check engine lights on, the TRAC's off, the all-wheel drive is on. So now I gotta figure that out. But now I know the car drives, so that's a good thing. So the code was on after I changed the ECTS fuse. And I brought out my scanner, my auto scanner I bought, and I deleted, erased the code, and now it's gone. It didn't come back up yet. So I'm gonna test drive some more. Hopefully it just stay off. But yeah, so that's how you fix the problem. If you if your car, you jump started wrong with the wrong cable, and if the lights come on. So basically that was a simple fix. So thanks for watching. Peace and love.